Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, Samuel, Samuel, Kings, King, Chronicles, and Chronicles, Isaiah, Nehemiah, Esther, Leviticus, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentation, Ezekiel, Daniel, Isaiah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zachariah, Malachi, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, Romans, 1 Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, 1 Colossians, 1 Philippians, 2 Thessalonians, 1 Timothy, Titus, and Philemon, Hebrews, James, 1 Peter, 1 John, with any religion.
Sige, tuhalan sila. Next!
Saan naman mo? Uy, sayang.
Next! Memory pa rin tayo? Memory pa rin ako mag-kwanta. Okay, 10 commandments. Oy, kayo na po. 10 commandments yan. Ikaw na mauna. Kaya lang po.
10 commandments. You shall have no others God before me. Number 2. You shall not have not,
Thou shalt
and thou shalt not have no other. Thou shalt not have idol. Number 3. Thou shalt not have. I take the name of the Lord God in vain. Number 3. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Number 4. Honor your mother and your father. Number 6. You shall not murder. Number 7. You shall not commit adultery. Number 8. You shall not steal. Number 9. You shall not bear false witness against your neighbors. Number 10. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's wife and his things.
Very good, Reggie.
Thou shalt not worship other. Thou shalt not.
Thou shalt have no.
Thou shalt not have no other gods before me. Thou shalt not worship any graven image. Thou shalt not take God's name in vain. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Honor your father and your mother. Thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt not commit adultery. Thou shalt not steal. Thou shalt not bear false witness against your neighbor. Thou shalt not commit.
Very good. Sinasunod. Oh, muna ate.
Thou shalt have no other gods before me. Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image. Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Honor thy father and thy mother. Thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt not commit adultery. Thou shalt not steal. Thou shalt not bear false against thy neighbors. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's house.
Sino pa